course, we have the Bitcoin halving coming up later next year. The Bitcoin halving is set for 2024, somewhere around March, April timeframe. But little do some know, many know about Litecoin and Litecoin's halving. And as it approaches, what do you need to know about Litecoin? Now, first and foremost, let me say this about Litecoin, a couple different things. Number one, it has always been looked at as Bitcoin's silver to Bitcoin's gold. It's an OG in the crypto space. It is often overlooked. It's currently just sitting inside the top 15. And we could take a look at Litecoin real quick here on the big board. Litecoin in the top 10, ranked number 10 actually, up about 4% right now, sitting at about $100 even. And a lot of people don't look at Litecoin as a savvy investment. But let me tell you this. Recently, EDX exchange has been announced. This is the exchange that the big players are forming, right? The Fidelities, the Citadels, the huge suits who run the business world. And they mentioned 4 cryptos that they're going to be offering on EDX. It's Bitcoin, it's Ethereum, it's Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. This news right here makes me bullish on Litecoin for the future. And yes, it's a relatively quote-unquote boring investment maybe, right? But let me tell you why this is important and why you might want to look at Litecoin a little bit differently than you have in the past. And if you're somebody who's already invested in Litecoin, you're already all in, let me know by smashing the like button down below, dropping a comment, because I've made Litecoin videos before. They've always been well received, and I always like to come back because this community is quietly very strong. Let me hear you down below. Also, subscribe to the channel so I know you guys are out there. Now, as the Litecoin halving approaches, these are some of the things we need to know, right? There it is, digital silver. The most successful and popular Bitcoin fork is about to undergo its hotly anticipated third ever halving event. So Litecoin is getting closer to this third halving event in history. The previous halvings happened in 2015 and 2019. During its next halving, Litecoin is going to have its emission reduced by 50%. Currently, Litecoin miners are getting 12.5 Litecoins per block. After the halving, this reward will drop to 6.25 LTC per block. As this halving takes place every 840,000 blocks, the next such event is expected to happen on August 2nd, 2023. So that is the date we are eyeing for Litecoin, August 2nd, 2023. The halving is an event that triggers a bullish cycle not only for the digital silver, but also for Bitcoin and all major altcoins. Typically, Litecoin halvings have created bull runs for the entire cryptocurrency market. That's why this is so important, because if history repeats itself, we could be getting ready to enter a nice little bull market rally later this year. And a lot of people are excited about this because the Litecoin halving is going to lead right into the Bitcoin halving coming up in 2024. Now, the Litecoin halving anticipation has already resulted in a double-digit upsurge of Litecoin's price and Bitcoin Cash, its price, and other Bitcoin-like cryptos. We've seen Stacks also move STX. Since Litecoin is among the largest altcoins, its third halving event is in the spotlight for crypto enthusiasts across the globe. It's set to open a new epoch in Litecoin's history as well. It was introduced by former Google engineer and early Bitcoiner Charlie Lee in October of 2011. It's been around for a while now. It uses the ticker LTC and the symbol L. Unlike Bitcoin, the Litecoin crypto supply is capped at 84 million coins, 4x compared to Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin's right around 21 million. Litecoin replaced the Bitcoin algorithm with a script one. It also has a 4x lower block time than Bitcoin. It adds a new block every 2.5 minutes. Since 2014, Litecoin implemented a merge mining system with Dogecoin, the first ever meme crypto. It means that Litecoin and Doge are mined on the same computational equipment, ASICs and FPGAs. I got a good buddy who mines both Litecoin and Doge. In 2022, Litecoin activated a crucial upgrade. They called it the MWeb. After this soft fork, some Litecoin transactions can be processed privately. So here's some key differences between Bitcoin and Litecoin. You got Bitcoin at 21 million supply, Litecoin 84 million. Average block time. Look how much faster Litecoin is than Bitcoin. Halving period. Litecoin, 840,000 blocks to 210 blocks for Bitcoin. There's their security algorithm. And merged mining currencies. Dogecoin is with Litecoin. Transaction obfuscation, Mimblewimble, and third-party mixers only for Bitcoin. So, what is this halving? Why is it so important? Well, in a proof-of-work system, which Litecoin is, miners are rewarded for their contribution in native crypto of these blockchains. Bitcoin miners receive Bitcoin, Litecoin miners receive LTC. And these reward coins should be referred to as the only source of new coins that come into circulation. So in order to prevent POW, proof-of-work cryptos, from being vulnerable to inflation, the investors of Bitcoin proposed the procedure of a halving, a periodical 50% reduction of miner rewards. Every 4 years, all proof-of-work networks see their rewards, and therefore emissions reduced by 50%. So for Bitcoin, they are getting ready for their next big halving coming up in March or April 2024. The miner rewards will be reduced to 3.125 Bitcoins. And halvings are important for cryptos for a couple reasons. Motivation of miners to continue on what they do. Scarcity of coins. We know scarcity drives positive price action. And cryptocurrency cycles, typically Litecoin and Bitcoin cycles, are interpreted as the starting point for crypto capitalization rallies. So, as we turn the page to August, this could be the start to the next crypto rally. And it all starts with the Litecoin halving. Let me know what you guys think about all this down below. Appreciate you guys so much.